Hi, I'm Faith, and today is day 9 of Flylady's beginner baby steps to getting your home and life in order. Today, we need to make sure to get dressed in the morning, to be kind to ourselves, and to recognize the negative voices so we can change them into something positive, to do a quick 2-minute hot spot clean, to make sure to have a clean and shiny sink before bed, to pick out an outfit that we're going to wear for tomorrow, and to start adding to your control journal. Today, we're going to add a 5-minute room rescue to our morning routine. 5-minute room rescue can be used a couple different ways. Set a timer for 5 minutes to quickly pick up in one of the rooms in your house. I like to do a quick pickups in our living room because that's where my boys like to play 99% of the time, and it can get pretty messy and embarrassing if somebody rings the doorbell. Or set a timer for 5 minutes to rescue a room, which is to work in your worst room in your house. In our house, it's our office studio room, which I have been avoiding since we moved 3 months ago. Flylady also mentions an Ohio method, which stands for only handle it once. If you have it in your hand, then put it right where it belongs, whether it's to throw it away, finding a place for it, or to donate it. I also want to share a couple quotes, and one quote is by Flylady's granny, which is a place for everything and everything in its place. And another quote by Flylady, which is, let's get rid of the clutter so we can have a home with plenty of room. When you get rid of the clutter, you'll get room for family. Click the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye!